Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Kriti Home and Style. I hope you all are fine and doing great. So, holiday season has started and I have bought a very special gift for Ishana. You want to see it?
Yeah.
You want to open it? So, this is Transformer Robot Car.
Wow.
So, it's a Transformer Robot Car, and now today we are gonna review this car. We will open it. We will see how it works. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. But before that, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Shana, let's go.
Yay.
This remote control car toy is available on Amazon. I have given the link so you can check the description for this toy car. This is a remote control transform car robot. It has 360-degree rotation. It moves forward, backward, it turns right, and it rotates 360-degree. So this is the remote control, and functions are very easy. It can be really easily operated by the kids. Now you can see it has these functions. It has got LED light and one-click change. In one click it transforms into a robot. So now we are gonna open this one. So this is our car. This is our remote. It is battery operated, so this remote is battery operated, and the car is also battery operated. So I'm opening this one with the screw, and I'm putting batteries into it. You can see those LED lights. There is switch on and switch off button behind the car, so you can switch it on and switch it off whenever you want. Now we'll start playing with it. See, it's one button deformation car, so remote control car is very easy. Remote control car is very easy to play, and you have to just press a button and it will transform into a very strong robot to play with the kids. By pressing the auto demo and then press deformation to rotate 360-degree and move forward. Flash lightings are also very attractive. It is made up of very sturdy and durable plastic. This toy car is perfect for the children's age 5 years and above. It's very easy to play for the kids, forward and backward, and it turns left and it turns right. Auto demo and one-click deformation. The transform police car can be transformed into a 360-degree robot.
Ishana, let's do race with our car. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yay!
During this holiday season, this robot car is a perfect gift for the kids. So if you like this product, I have given its purchase link in my description box. You can go and check there. So this was Ishana's holiday gift, and if you liked our video, don't forget to press the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.